So here we are, that's Amor Lake. We just paddled. It's 12:30 on Friday. There's a little beach around the corner of that island right there. Go around there, there's an island. Or a little beach you can camp on, have lunch at, whatever. Here's our lovely yacht that's traveling with us. Portage sign so you know where you're going. Up the trail to the lovely Mr. Canoehead recreation site. I'm giving a guided tour. There's Mr. Canoehead there.
Keep canoeing.
That's the way to Surprise Lake, which is our next portage. And this is the wreck site. Little bench in case you're tired. Fire pit. Long table for kings. Thing is massive. See, just keep going. Tons of firewood. This here is where you would set up your tent, provided it would fit. There's two more up in the woods over yonder. So, say you were here in your tent. You wake up in the morning, shake your head, you're all waking up, you look up, oh, and there's your view first thing in the morning. Now if that's not good enough for you, Mike, would you care to demonstrate? You make yourself a cup of coffee, and you come out here, and you sit on the veranda in your easy chair, with your feet up, enjoying the lovely view of Amor Lake. And that's about how he spends his day. Yep. It's beautiful.